Alright guys, so today I am torture testing a robot, and as you can see I've beat it up pretty good so far, but this brought along the perfect scenario. So we threw down a bunch of hair and string, and so Maggie, whenever she takes a shower, her hair will, when females brush their hair, it'll be on the brush. So we threw a bunch of that in this room. We have our carpet here, which is a middle high high traffic area. We also had to put our fan up on our little blocks, and then I dusted all the fans and everything so we could get some fuzz. And the reason for this is people ask me why their Shark Ion or Shark IQ robot isn't picking up like it used to. Don't mind this, it's missing for a reason. There's more videos coming. So, let's get started. So, here's what happens with the Shark Ion robots. Not as much the IQ robots, because they do have the self-cleaning brush that works semi-decent. It doesn't tangle up. This is what happens, guys, and I see this a lot in robots I get. And this is kind of extreme because we put so much stuff on the ground. But this hair raveled up, and in order to clean this, we got to take a knife, because that little tool they give you isn't gonna cut through all this. It'll take forever. So get a knife, some scissors, and cut all that off. Peel all that hair and dust and fiber and stuffing. Just got some pillow stuffing in here. Go ahead and peel all that off. And a minute ago I was running this and it was running fine, so you would never suspect it until it's too late. Make sure you get that end cap. We're going to take the end cap off actually. We're going to look in here and look. There's this hair clumped up all around the shaft, which causes friction and heat and early wear and tear on it. Just all kinds of trash. And you know what's bad is I've seen robots way, way worse than this one, and are almost all the way functional, but like most of my videos, the main brush roller is seized up. So that's good enough for now. We just removed all of this off that roller brush. Okay, so say it's not clogged up that bad. Let's take this out. We have dirt and dust and stuffing from the pillow, and this is a test bin. Any bins I sell don't look like this. What I do is I reuse this one. This one's been through a water test, that's why it's all nasty like that. Next, you got to check in here, make sure that none of that stuff got through like this did. So we got a piece of mulch that got through. Even though there's a filter and everything, this bin is so full at the start that you can't get anything. We got some Cheerios in there, plenty of dirt. Let's check the filter. Oh yeah, that filter's clogged up real good. And here's the problem with that. If the filter's clogged up, it can't get adequate suction to get all this stuff up. So you gotta beat it out, blow it out. Get it good and clean. That's nowhere near good and clean. So if you have an air compressor, use the air compressor to clean it out. Take a knife or a brush and go in between all the little areas of it. Try to get some of that stuff off. Now this filter wouldn't normally look this bad, but this one has been put through a water test. So obviously it's a little bit worse for wear. Now once you've cleaned all that, go ahead and reinsert your roller brush. Hey, it spins now. Holy cow. Now I can put the cover back on. We can turn it on. And we can have it go and clean some more. And look, now it's leaving a nice thick line of where it's been. Perfect. Alright guys, if this video helped y'all out, make sure you hit that like button. If not, I understand. Some of these videos are only geared to certain people. if you've never cleaned your robot or you're in a high traffic area, clean it regular in the first clean cycle, because you're gonna really appreciate it cleaning the way it's supposed to. Where did it go? There it is. All right. See y'all later.